Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I block out my eyebrows. I do know that there are multiple ways of blocking out your eyebrows. I just found that this version for myself the easiest. Some people like to use a cheaper or alternative route and using glue sticks or Prozade, but for this particular steps I'm about to show you, this is a lot easier for myself because I have very thick, coarse eyebrows. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alrighty, so now that my eyebrow makeup is removed, I'm going to go ahead and just go in. First start off with some spirit gum. You can use any sort of spirit gum. I like to use typically Ben Nye, but I believe I got this one at Spirit Halloween last year. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my eyebrows, back and forth, at least 2 or 3 coatings. After I'm done applying that, I'm going to be taking a clay modeling tool on the flat side and be pushing my eyebrows up. So once I got those first 3 layers on there, I kind of allow it to get tacky a little bit, and then I will go in and push my eyebrows up. Focus on making sure your eyebrows are as flat as possible, so that way it will blend seamlessly into the skin. Now there will be some parts of the eyebrow that doesn't all the way adhere, so I always like to go in with one more layer just to kind of loosen up those little brows I didn't get in between, just so we can make sure they all are laying flat and seamlessly. Alrighty, spirit gum is on, so now we're going to let them dry just for a second and we'll move on to the next step. Moving forward, we're going to go ahead and go in with some Nye Nose Scar wax. You can use Nye or any other brand that you prefer. I like to use Nye just because I love the brand. And then some Vaseline. I like to use some Vaseline because nose and scar wax can get stuck onto your body a lot. So we're going to get a nice dollop of this. Make sure you get some Vaseline on your finger so the nose and scar wax doesn't get stuck on your hands. Now what you want to do with the nose and scar wax, you want to make a little ball. You really don't need a lot for each eyebrow, I promise you, because you're going to be scraping a lot of it off. This is just going to kind of help fill in between those little ridges in between the eyebrows. So you got yourself a little snake. I'm going to rip it in half because that is a lot of nose and scar wax. And I'm only going to use this half for one eyebrow. I'll be sticking this on my eyebrow and then making sure it blends in with the skin in the eyebrows. My trusty tool and just kind of blend it in. And I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow. Now that we got the nose and scar wax nice and blended into the brows, we're going to go ahead and take any translucent powder you have on hand. As of right now, I'm using Kat Von D. Don't ask me why I'm using a high-end one, just because I kind of ran out of the other one. We're going to take a hefty amount of powder and any type of sponge, and we're going to dab that into the brow bone. Alright, now that we got them all powdered up and we look like freaking Willy Wonka right now, we're gonna go ahead and just let these sit for a couple minutes, and then we will brush the rest of it off. They're all powdered up. We love to see that. Now this is the time where I would either typically go in with a face palette, like a color palette, and paint my whole face. But you could also go in with like a red just to kind of tone out the brows. But because I'm just doing a basic, like, nothing too crazy brow moment, no brows, no brow moment, I'm just gonna go with my foundation and powder them up and call it good. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look, officially complete. Now, like I said, when I do block out my eyebrows, I do tend to either just go over my eyebrows with a face paint or something else, or like my airbrush, but this is just your basic tutorial on how to block out your eyebrows. If you guys enjoyed this video, greatly appreciated if you guys gave it a thumbs up and comment down below what you liked most about it. Let me know if you guys end up trying out this way of blocking out your eyebrows. I found that this is the easiest and best way for me to do so, where my hair just naturally blends in with my skin. It is great, it works perfect for me, and it never failed me in the past. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you want to see more of these, leave a comment down below, or more tricks and tips and whatnot if you want to know that. Also click that bell so that way you guys get post notifications on when my next upload is. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!